Hi, my name is Jeroen and I'm a PMO Manager at Glowi. Glowi is a Belgian service company offering professional solutions across recruitment, marketing and communications and cleaning services. Now, we've been working with Reenbit for about 4 years now. And the partnership started when we launched an RFP for a mobile application for our cleaners. We chose Reenbit because they met our technical requirements, were able to provide sufficient resources, and quickly convinced us of their technical capabilities and expertise. It started with just that PWA for our cleaners, but we later decided to also build a native app for our clients, along with an automated communication system for both our clients and our cleaners. And the success of these apps was demonstrated by high adoption rates. Since the launch of these applications, we've continued adding new features on a regular basis, always developed by Reenbit. And since last year, Reenbit has also put together a second development team for us that is now working on an entirely new planning system for our consultants. If I had to name Reenbit's main strength, it would be that they proactively bring ideas and technical solutions rather than just execute what we've asked. The relationship we've built with Reenbit feels like working with colleagues, not with an outsourced contractor. I would say it's a real partnership that we have with them. They also learned very quickly how our business works, and they've built their own expertise around it. Now, that helps a lot when we need to tackle complex or unexpected challenges. Mostly we come to them with an idea of how a certain feature needs to be built, and then Reenbit, the team, builds further on that idea by asking the right questions and making suggestions of making it even better, which leads to strong results. Now, on top of that, they're very flexible as well. We here at Glowi, we have a tendency of shifting priorities from time to time, but they always handle that very well. Reenbit will also do everything they can to deliver in time. They're transparent about challenges and risks and provide clear estimates both in time and cost whenever we submit new requirements. And finally, the people on the team are simply great to work with. They're all positive, solution-oriented individuals with a strong working attitude and excellent communication skills in English. So I would definitely recommend Reenbit to others or to your business. Whatever your technical requirements are, you can be sure that they will put together a team of skilled professionals with the right expertise. People who will always put the customer first and will actively contribute to the development process.